How is the weather?
It is very sunny.
Is it hot today?
Yes, quite hot today.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love sun.
Is the sky clear?
Yes, beautiful clear sky.
Do you see the sun?
Yes, very bright sun.
Is the sun strong today?
Yes, very strong today.
Do you feel warm?
Yes, very warm now.
Is it too hot?
A little, but nice.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, better than cold.
What is the temperature today?
About 30 degrees today.
Is 30 degrees hot?
Yes, quite hot indeed.
Do you wear sunscreen?
Yes, always in summer.
Is sunscreen important?
Yes, protects your skin.
Do you wear a hat?
Sometimes, when very hot.
Do you have sunglasses?
Yes, in my bag.
Are sunglasses useful today?
Yes, sun is bright.
Do you see the clouds?
Yes, small white clouds.
Are there many clouds?
No, just a few.
Will it rain today?
No, sky is clear.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, calm and cozy.
Is rain good for plants?
Yes, very good indeed.
Do you like thunder?
No, thunder is scary.
Is thunder dangerous?
Sometimes. Stay inside then.
Do you like lightning?
No, it is scary.
What weather do you like most?
Warm and sunny days.
Do you like spring weather?
Yes, perfect warm weather.
Is spring your favorite season?
Yes, flowers and sun.
What season is it now?
It is summer now.
Is summer your favorite?
Yes, I love summer.
What do you do in summer?
Play outside every day.
Do you swim in summer?
Yes, at the pool.
Is the pool near here?
Yes, 5 minutes away.
Do you go there often?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you like winter?
Winter is too cold.
Is it cold in winter here?
Yes, very cold winters.
Does it snow here?
Yes, sometimes it snows.
Do you like snow?
Snow is beautiful, yes.
Do you play in snow?
Yes, when I was young.
Do you like autumn?
Yes, autumn is colorful.
What color are leaves in autumn?
Red, orange, and yellow.
Is autumn beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful season.
Do you like the wind?
Light wind is nice.
Is it windy today?
No, very calm today.
Is calm weather nice?
Yes, perfect for walking.
Do you walk outside today?
Yes, weather is perfect.
Is walking in sun good?
Yes, but use sunscreen.
Do you exercise outside?
Yes, in good weather.
What exercise do you do outside?
Running and football mostly.
Is today good for football?
Yes, perfect football weather.
Do you play football today?
Yes, later this afternoon.
What time will you play?
At 4 o'clock today.
Is 4 o'clock still sunny?
Yes, still sunny then.
Will it get cooler later?
Yes, evening is cooler.
Do you like cool evenings?
Yes, very much so.
Is evening your favorite time?
Yes, calm and peaceful.
Do you go outside in evening?
Yes, for a walk.
Is evening walk nice?
Yes, very relaxing indeed.
Do you watch sunsets?
Yes, sunsets are beautiful.
Is today's sunset nice?
Yes, will be amazing.
What color is the sunset?
Orange, pink, and red.
Do you take sunset photos?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature.
Is nature beautiful?
Yes, always so beautiful.
Do you like trees?
Yes, trees are calming.
Are those trees big?
Yes, very big trees.
Do trees give good shade?
Yes, nice cool shade.
Do you sit under trees?
Yes, on hot days.
Is shade important in summer?
Yes, keeps you cool.
Do you drink water outside?
Yes, always carry water.
Is water important in heat?
Yes, very, very important.
How much water do you drink?
About 8 glasses daily.
Is 8 glasses enough?
Yes, doctors recommend it.
Do you eat fruit in summer?
Yes, watermelon and mango.
Is watermelon good in summer?
Yes, cool and refreshing.
Do you like mango?
Yes, very sweet fruit.
Is summer food different?
Yes, more cold food.
Do you eat ice cream in summer?
Yes, almost every day.
What is your favorite ice cream?
Chocolate and vanilla, please.
Is ice cream cold enough today?
Yes, perfect for today.
Do you share ice cream?
Yes, with my friends.
Is today a good day?
Yes, perfect sunny day.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy today.
Does good weather make you happy?
Yes, always makes me happy.
Does bad weather make you sad?
A little, yes, sometimes.
What is your perfect weather?
Sunny, warm, and calm.
Is today your perfect weather?
Yes, exactly. Perfect today.
Shall we enjoy it together?
Yes, let us go.